Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Everybody needs a video doorbell. Whether you're looking to prevent package theft, want to screen visitors that are coming to your home, or want to check on your home while you're away, a video doorbell is your friend. The Wyze Video Doorbell has it all. It has high quality video, local storage so no subscription needed, and simple mobile notifications. In this video, I will cover the easy installation, setup, and app use of the Wyze Video Doorbell version 2. Let's get into it. First thing is safety. Make sure you find your breaker that is associated with your doorbell and turn it off. It took me a little while to figure out which breaker was for my doorbell, but now I have it labeled. Once your breaker is turned off, grab a screwdriver and remove your old antiquated doorbell. Next, you install your wall plate. Here, you can use your angle bracket like this if needed. I didn't need mine because my camera is facing directly out at my street, so I used the parallel configuration. Next, using your screwdriver, back out the screws on the back of the Wyze cam and connect your wires. I didn't use the wire extender or wire nuts for my doorbell because my wires were already long enough and I just didn't need to. When connecting your wires, the red and white doesn't matter which side you connect it to. Now take the doorbell and put it back onto the faceplate. Then remove the plastic cover. Next, install your SD card if you want to use local storage. If you're looking to use the Cam Plus service or something along those lines, no need to use an SD card. Last step, turn on that breaker and make sure that it turns on. To set up your Wyze Doorbell V2, first go to the Wyze app. This is available on either Android or Apple. In the app, click the plus in the top left corner and click Add Device and then Camera. Scroll down to Wyze Doorbell V2. This step walks you through both the chime installation and then the video doorbell setup. The Wyze Doorbell V2 also comes with a doorbell chime. When setting up the app, it will walk you through how to connect the doorbell chime, just like it walks you through how to mount the doorbell. Once you connect your Wyze Doorbell chime, make sure to go back into the app and select either mechanical or digital for your chime type. Since our doorbell is already mounted, first press the setup button on the back of the doorbell. This will ask you to scan a QR code. Once you click setup, the QR code will show up on your phone. Turn your phone around and show it to the camera and they will connect. Next, you will need to log into your Wi-Fi to connect it to your correct wireless network. The app will likely tell you to update your firmware. Once you do that, it will provide a short app tutorial. There are a couple other settings to make sure to enable. To get to them, go to the Wyze app. Make sure you are not in the camera app, but the Wyze app itself. Click on your account, then click on App Settings, and then toggle Enable Hardware Decoder and Running in the Background. These settings make it so when someone presses your doorbell, your notification on your mobile device will pop up as fast as possible. And that's it, your setup is complete. The bottom section of the app allows you to scroll through your time. When clicking on the video in playback, you can zoom in and zoom out just with pinching to zoom. Also in playback, you can take a photo or record a snippet of the video. Recorded videos or pictures can be found in the album section of the app. Like I said before, these are stored locally and you can download them onto your phone for other uses. Lastly, there is a responses section. When someone presses your doorbell, you can have it default to a couple of different options that are already preloaded into the app for you. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2 is incredibly easy to install and very affordable. It integrates nicely with the Wyze app and the other Wyze products that I already own. I found it easy to use to double check when deliveries have been dropped off and also to catch the kids playing in the front yard. When someone presses the doorbell and you're away, you click your notification on your phone and it opens up like a phone call. You press the little phone button and you are then talking to someone at your door if they have any questions for your delivery. I hope you found this review and tutorial helpful. Please leave comments and feedback below. As always, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.